double there. Not quite my tempo. 5, 6.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
ओए, क्या हुआ? स्टेज फ्राइट. पॉकेट देख. Pocket. Life's but a walking shadow, a tale told by an idiot, full of sound and fury, signifying nothing. Macbeth. Chal 5, 6, 7. Wow, that was fast. That's what she said. No, she did not, but she did. I feel strange about this and not what I expected to feel. One, I feel hot. Really, a jacket in Mumbai? Ugh. And two, I feel empty. Not happy, not sad, just absolutely still. The seeds that I sowed last year have yielded a good harvest this season. I expected to feel the euphoria while harvesting, but it just whizzed past me so fast. Come to think of it, maybe it was in the sowing that I found the joy. Maybe this is what it means to surrender to the process, to be absolutely married to the doing. Maybe the path is the euphoria, the process. What's that word? Watch that bird. Who can fly but jumps from a tree? That should die, but why? I don't know, it's just faith. What are you afraid of? Escape. What's that word? Escape? Yeah. Harm, injury, loss, damage. Like that cat up in the air. It's really Shakespeare, yeah. Let me shake your spear. Harm, injury, loss, damage gonna happen anyway. Get up, spit, strap a bandage. No one cares, just by the way. Show up, that's the first step. Scooty, hoti, pep.